Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have something really exciting for you guys. I will be reviewing all of my Victoria's Secret body mist collection. Now I'll be honest with you, for the longest period of time I never understood body mist क्यों use करना है यार, because I had a perfume, I had a deodorant. I just couldn't understand what's the purpose of using a body mist. So I researched a little before buying my first ever body mist. And I came to know that a body mist is actually used to feel refreshed, okay? So there are these times in the day when you feel sweaty and you want to just, use something that is going to give you that refreshed sort of a feeling. Tabhi you need to use a body mist. So it's something that you carry to work, you carry to your college, etc. to just feel refreshed. So on a single day, any random day at work or in college, I normally ensure that I have a body mist in my bag and I use it 3 times a day. सबसे पहले तो as soon as you reach the office or college, travel में इतना पसीना आ जाता है, that's the perfect time to use a body mist. Then later after lunch, जब तक first mist का fragrance थोड़ा कम हो जाता है, that's when you use it for the second time. And the third time is before you leave back to home. Okay, so a body mist actually works so well because it directly reaches your body as against perfume or deodorant जो कपड़े पे लगाते हैं and उसका fragrance शायद पूरा दिन नहीं रहे. Also, this is a lot sensitive on your skin, so it works really well. So in this particular video, what we'll be doing is I will take you guys through all of these fragrances. And towards the end of it, मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि which of these are my top 3 favorites. So ऐसे तो सारे ही favorites हैं, but it's just that I like a few more than in comparison to the rest of them. ठीक है? And just to add to a disclaimer, ये सारे एक साथ नहीं खरीदे हैं. I have actually bought this over a period of time, but I love their fragrances. Like guys, Victoria's Secret का fragrances are amazing. Especially their body mist range. So what I'll be doing is that हर एक का review करेंगे, and then at the end of it I will also include the links to these in the description box below. So if you like a particular fragrance or you want to try out a particular fragrance, you can go ahead and check out the description box and then buy it for yourself. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first fragrance that we'll be reviewing is this one. It's Endless Love. Okay, this is made up of apple blossom and Lang Lang. Now I don't know what Lang Lang is, but it doesn't really matter. I just wanted to try out this fragrance. So when I bought it, I really loved the fragrance. Okay, so now let me just spray a bit of it on my wrist, and I'll give you guys an understanding of what the fragrance feels like. Okay, so this fragrance is a perfect mix of fruity as well as florals. So I highly recommend this one. The next one that we will be looking at is Love Spell. Okay, now I have actually honestly already used half of this bottle. Okay, now Love Spell is made up of cherry blossom and peach. Okay, so cherry blossom sunte hi I am totally excited because that's one of the fragrances I really like. So when I bought this one, I was very looking forward to the kind of fragrance it will have. So let me just try this one. Okay, so this one, let me be very honest, peach का जो part है वो बहुत minimal है. More so this fragrance smells like cherry blossom only. So if you are interested or you like the fragrance of cherry blossom, ये वाला perfect. Next up, the fragrance that we have is Sure, and it's made up of white cotton and pink lily. This fragrance is for all of those people who like very subtle fragrances. So I'm going to spray that. Perfect. But this is a total floral fragrance. इसमें थोड़ा भी fruitiness नहीं है. It doesn't have that sweetness at all. So if you're looking for something very subtle, then this one has to be your choice. Next up is a Coconut Passion. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this on my wrist, and I'm going to see what the fragrance is like. Of course, it's not going to be a wrist, now it's going to be my arm, but yeah. Basic coconut fragrance, guys. It comprises of vanilla and coconut. So this one is not floral at all. On the flip side, this is extremely fruity. It's a mix of vanilla and coconut, and it's exactly as per the combination mentioned on the. But if sweet is something you're looking for, then this is the best one amongst the ones that I've bought. Okay, the next one is Aqua Kiss. Now, Aqua Kiss is made up of rain-kissed freesia and daisy. Alright, so as the name suggests, this one is actually all floral, no fruit scents included. A little too strong for my liking, to be very honest. And if I were to choose एक ऐसा fragrance अगर मुझे choose करना है, which is my all-time favorite, it has to be a mix of floral and fruity. It cannot be something which is very strong, because अगर मुझे strong use ही करना होता तो then I would have just bought a perfume and used it. Why will I go through the trouble of using a body mist, right? So body mist में ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा strong है, but if you like it, of course, then this is your choice. Alright, the second last one is strawberries and champagne. Now, let me pause and tell you a little about this particular fragrance. Now, whenever, if at all you've been to a Victoria's Secret outlet or a shop of Victoria's Secret, when you enter the room or when you enter the store, there is this one particular fragrance जो आपको ऐसे welcome करता है, okay? And that is this particular fragrance. Now, this is the most recommended, most loved fragrance of Victoria's Secret. And I really like the description, in fact, that comes with this particular fragrance, that is flirtatious strawberry and a sexy champagne kick to it. So, even if you think about it, like this is one of those flavors, when you even think about it, you're like, you know, ये दोनों चीज़ें जब combine करेंगे, तो we are very sure that what result comes up is going to be something really amazing. And this is exactly what has happened with this particular fragrance. So let me just spray this on my wrist or my arm now. I love this, guys. I really love this. And if I were to recommend any two body mists from the entire range, one of them would definitely be this, like this. So definitely highly recommend it. Alright, then we come to my favorite. This one is Passion Struck. Okay, this one is, I think, yeah, it's visible now. It's Passion Struck, and this is made up of Fuji apple and vanilla orchid. Now, you know, body mist, as I mentioned in the start of it, simply ऐसे ही 3 times a day also I can use, because I know it's going to be very sensitive on my skin. It's not going to cause any problems or something like that. बट ये तो ऐसे लगता है जैसे कि अगर तुमने सुबह लगा दिया, अपनी बॉडी पे स्प्रे कर दिया, then you are totally done with it. Again, I have to spray this to give you a basic understanding of what this smells like. Okay, this is floral and sweetness. So that sweetness जो इसमें है is not a fruity sweetness, but it's a sweetness nonetheless. So, as I mentioned earlier, अगर एक ही fragrance खरीदना है body mist Victoria's Secret से, this one has to be it. Lastly, as mentioned earlier, I will be taking you guys through the top 3 recommendations. So this is in the same order. So this is one, which is your Passion Struck. The second one, which is Strawberries and Champagne. And the third one, which is Endless Love. So अगर कोई 3 body mists ही खरीदने हैं, then these are the 3 to look out for. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my collection. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite if you've already bought one, and by just looking at the video, which one do you think will suit you the best. So before you leave, please support my channel by liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel by hitting the bell notification icon. I upload a new video every Sunday. So ensure that you have the bell notification icon on so that you get notified the next time I upload something on this channel. Until next time, bye bye.